Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we have a great word to explore together. Accessible. This word is an adjective and can be quite handy in everyday conversations. Accessible means easy to reach, enter, or use. Imagine trying to get to a place, use a service, or find information, and it's all easy to get to or understand that's accessible. We use it a lot to describe things that don't take a lot of effort or are designed to be inclusive for everyone. Let's look at some synonyms for accessible that can help add variety to your vocabulary. One synonym is reachable, as in, the hiking trail is easily reachable by bus. Another is approachable. You could say, she has an approachable personality, making it easy for people to talk to her. Another one is attainable. With hard work, success is attainable. These words help describe anything within easy reach or achievable in some way. Now, let's go over some antonyms. The opposite of accessible would be something like inaccessible. For example, without the proper tools, the mountain peak is inaccessible. Another antonym is unreachable, as in, the cabin was unreachable due to the snowstorm. And finally, distant could also work as an antonym, especially in the sense of something that's difficult to get to or connect with. Her attitude made her seem distant and hard to approach. How does accessible work in daily conversations? Well, you might use it to talk about buildings, transportation, and technology, especially when they're easy to use or designed with everyone in mind. For example, you could say, the museum is very accessible for people with disabilities. Or if you're talking about your local library, our library makes information accessible to everyone in the community. And here's a great tech example. The app is accessible to all users, regardless of their level of experience with technology. Here are a few sentences to show accessible in action. The restaurant is accessible by subway, so it's easy for everyone to meet there. The online course is designed to be accessible for beginners. We're working to make this event more accessible to people from all backgrounds. That wraps up our discussion on accessible. Today, we covered its meaning, similar words like reachable, approachable, and attainable, and opposites like inaccessible and unreachable. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed the episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. It really helps others find the show. And here's a fun challenge. Try creating your own sentence using accessible and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with.